Decline the seat when I want it. Give you a set of keys cause you want it. Pull up on me.
Hey love bugs, and welcome back to another video. So first things first, before we get started, if you are a first time visitor here to the congregation, hi, hello, my name is Mary and welcome to my channel. And to my oldie but goodie love bugs, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today's video, first things first, let me apologize. My chair is broken, so it keeps like lowering, so I apologize if you keep seeing me go up and down, up and down. But today's video is another wig review, and today's review will be on Icy Hair Amazon, their 180 density ocean wave glueless wig, and this is in an 18-inch. Now this wig was given to me by Icy Hair Amazon, so thank you very much for this wig. So this is a sponsored video. Woo woo, we getting there. I told y'all we want wig companies. Holla at your girl, cause I'm here for it. But anyways, they reached out to me to do a review on this wig, and so just want to get into some of the details. This is from Icy Hair Amazon. So yes, this wig was purchased off of Amazon. So it is a 180% density wig, ocean wave. It's 18 inches. It's HD lace, and it is pre-plucked. So the price point of this wig is $120. With tax, it comes to $127.95. And because it is on Amazon, the good thing about it is Amazon Prime. So this has 1 day shipping. So I ordered this on a Wednesday and I got it on a Thursday. I'm sorry guys, I'm really sorry about the constant up and down. I really have to invest in a new chair. Anyways, let's get back to the wig. So again, this is from Icy Hair on Amazon, and before I open the box, this is the packaging. Very cute. One, it's my favorite color, pink. It has their logo on the back. It has, you know, their logo, and then also their website, amazon.com/IC. So when you do open up the box, it does come with lashes, the wig, and then it comes with 2 wig caps. All right, so all right, so first things first, take it out, take it out of this net. Okay, so the hair is very, very soft. This is the lace. And I know it looks a little on the short side, but it is 18 inches. So I know once it's straightened, it will be a little longer, but I think this will be a good everyday wig, especially for beginners. And again, it is already pre-plucked and it's very wear and go. So as you can see by my hair right now, I have a bun in. I don't have braids, so I can't put this on right now. So you guys are actually going to come with me to go see Joe. If you are, you know, an OG here, you know who Joe is. But for all my new people, Joe is my hairstylist. So she's going to wash and braid down my hair, and we're going to install this wig. So the next clip you see, it will be me at Joe's shop. So let's see how this wig, you know, turns out on my head. Let's go.
Okay, y'all, so here you see Joe customizing the wig. She has washed my hair and blow dried and braided me up. So right here, all you see is her customizing the wig before she puts it on. And then she's going to style it for me. And then after she finished styling, you will see the end result. So stay tuned.
Close up so y'all can see what lace. So I am back with the wig installed, and baby, hey, like, come on, stop playing with me. Like, first of all, Joe did her thing on the install, but this is completely glueless, like completely glueless. Now, she did bleach the knots. She did bleach the knots. I don't believe that she put, once she bleached the knots, I don't believe she put any foundation on the lace. I could be lying. I'm not too sure. No, there is some foundation on the lace, but like, come on. This is completely glueless. And like, I'm in love with this wig. Like, I'm a girly who normally does like super long limbs. Like, I'm a 22, 24, 26, 28 type of girl. But I think this is a very good everyday wig. Like, this could be your corporate America baddie wig. Like, if you're trying to close deals in the meetings, this is her. This is giving, you know, I should run for office. I should sell homes. It gives, I'm a bad bitch that don't play and I make boss moves. And so I think you should invest in this. It's a good everyday wig. It's super soft. There's no shedding. My hands are running straight through it. And again, it's very affordable. The wig only costs $120, $127.95 with tax, and it was on purchase off Amazon. So you get it in one day. Like, so if you in a crunch and you need something for like ASAP, go order this wig. Go order the wig. I will leave all the details down below in the description bar. But yes, definitely go get this. It also does come in a 20-inch option, but I think the 18-inch is good. You know, I think this is doable. It does also, I forgot to mention this before, but it does have an adjustable band in the back, but definitely giving corporate baddie vibes. So Lovebugs, this is gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and most important, subscribe, because sis, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Also, be sure to tell a friend all about this channel. Like I said, the description box will have all the wig deets down below. So be sure to go and get you one. And until next time, mwah. Later, love bugs.